Let me ask you something real quick. How many AI tools have you tried that promised to help you build something, but stopped right when money was supposed to come in? No login system, no payments, no backend, no distribution. Today, I'm showing you how I went from zero idea to a live monetized business with users, Stripe payments, a database, and SEO using Atoms, formerly known as MetaGPT X or MGX. And this isn't vibe coding, this is vibe business. If you've been around AI tools for a while, you might recognize the name MGX. MGX is now Atoms. And this isn't just a rename, it's a philosophical upgrade. Atoms isn't trying to help you write better prompts or prettier components. Atoms is trying to answer one question: how do we turn ideas into profitable, scalable businesses fast? Atoms calls itself the atomic unit of a new AI economy. And after using it, that actually makes sense. Because instead of giving you outputs, it gives you a team. Why most AI projects never make a dollar. Before Atoms, my workflow looked like this. I'd get an idea, generate some UI or code, maybe deploy a demo, then stop not because the idea was bad, but because the hard parts showed up. Things like authentication systems, databases, payment logic, deployment, SEO, and traffic. That's where most creators stall. And that's exactly the gap Atoms is built to fill. What Atoms actually is no buzzwords. Atoms is your next-gen vibe business team, not metaphorically, literally. Behind one chat interface, Atoms runs a multi-agent system, where each agent has a specific role in the business lifecycle. Here's who's on the team when I build something. Mike, team leader, coordinates everything, keeps the process aligned. Iris, deep research agent, validates ideas using real market and competitor data. Emma, product manager, turns research into a clear PRD and feature roadmap. Bob, architect, designs scalable system architecture. Alex, engineer, builds and deploys the full stack application. David, data analyst, handles analytics and performance insights. SEO agent, generates SEO content for distribution and growth. This is why Atoms feels different from tools like Cursor, Lovable, or Replit. Those help you build software. Atoms helps you build businesses. Step 1. Idea discovery with deep research. Instead of guessing what to build, I started with deep research. I typed, find a profitable micro SaaS idea for creators that can realistically charge a monthly subscription. Atoms didn't rush to code. First, Iris, the deep research agent, analyzed existing competitors, market demand, monetization models, gaps in current offerings. This step matters more than people realize. Atoms is built on the idea of strategy before code, and it works. Deep Research scored 73% on the Xbench Deep Research benchmark, outperforming models like OpenAI o3 and Google Gemini. So I wasn't just building fast, I was building with confidence. Once the idea was validated, Emma, the product manager agent, took over. She produced a clean PRD, core feature definitions, monetization logic, MVP scope. This is the kind of work founders usually spend weeks on, or skip entirely. Here, it was done automatically and coherently. No random features, no scope creep, just a product designed to make money. Step 3. Building the app where Atoms pulls ahead. Now this is where Atoms really separates itself. I clicked Build. Atoms didn't just generate UI components. It built a production-ready full-stack application. And that includes what Atoms calls its biggest differentiator. Atoms backend, the business engine. Most AI tools stop at visuals. Atoms doesn't. With one prompt, Atoms generated and integrated user systems like registration, login, user management, data engine, structured database, APIs ready to use, revenue loop, Stripe payments, subscriptions, secure checkout. This is the part that usually kills projects. Atoms makes it one click. This is the wow moment. Step 4. Live deployment plus custom domain. After the build, Atoms automatically deployed the app. No setup, no DevOps, no configuration. I connected a custom domain, and the product was live. This wasn't a prototype. This was a real business on the internet. Step 5. SEO agent. Here's the uncomfortable truth most people don't talk about. A product without traffic isn't a startup, it's a hobby. This is where even great ideas usually fail, not because the product is bad, but because no one ever finds it. What makes Atoms different is that distribution isn't an afterthought, it's part of the product lifecycle. Atoms includes a built-in SEO agent, whose entire job is to turn your product into something people can actually discover. Here's what that means in practice. Instead of asking, how do I market this? Atoms automatically generates SEO-optimized articles, not generic blog posts, but content structured around real search intent, problem-aware users who are already looking for solutions like yours. Targets relevant, high-intent keywords. The SEO agent uses the original market research to select keywords that align with your exact product, pricing model, and audience. So traffic isn't just high, it's qualified. Creates a closed-loop growth system. Articles drive traffic. Traffic converts into users. Users feed data back into the system. Content improves over time. This is the missing link between I built something and this thing makes money. Instead of launching your product and hoping someone tweets it, you're launching with distribution baked in from day one. That's not marketing hype. That's business infrastructure. And once you realize that Atoms treats SEO as part of the build process, not a separate job, it becomes clear why it's designed for vibe business, not just vibe coding. Step 6. Revenue. Let's talk about the moment that matters. I opened Stripe. I saw subscription tiers, live checkout, payment tracking. Seeing a real payment system connected to something I built without writing backend logic was the moment this stopped feeling like an AI demo. This was a business. And as you can see, our first use case we built with Atoms included user registration and login, database-driven features, Stripe subscriptions, backend admin operations, SEO growth loop from idea to revenue ready. Now let's talk about our next use case using race mode. Race mode doesn't rely on one AI output. Instead, it spins up multiple AI teams in parallel. Each team notes, researches, designs, builds. Then you choose the best result. This reduces hallucinations, improves consistency, increases quality atoms, reports 45% better results at up to 80% lower cost, and race mode is a big reason why. This is system-level thinking, not just execution. Who Atoms is built for? Atoms is for people who want to ship businesses, not just experiments. That includes AI developers and power users, freelancers and small businesses, startup founders, product managers and analysts, creators and solopreneurs. It's not about technical skill. It's about speed to revenue. Why Atoms feels like a cheat code? Most tools ask, what do you want to build? Atoms asks, how does this make money? That mindset changes everything. Final takeaway. From vibe coding to vibe business. Atoms, formerly MetaGPT X, is your next-gen vibe business team. It doesn't just help you build apps, it helps you validate ideas, build full-stack products, deploy instantly, accept payments, grow with SEO, generate revenue, faster, cheaper, with less friction. If you want to turn your ideas into real, revenue-ready businesses, try Atoms using my exclusive link below in the description and in the pinned comment. And if this was helpful, like the video, subscribe for more AI business breakdowns, comment what kind of business you'd build with Atoms. I'll see you in the next one.